Hey, oh! Wow! I got it! I don't think my GoPro survived down there. Welcome to Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It LLC. Personal computers, fixed. Cable TV boxes, fixed. Laptop PC, fixed. See you in hell. Monitors, fixed. GPUs, oh yeah, you know we fix them. At Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It LLC, we fix your ship, brother. Before using Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It, consult an IT professional. Possible side effects include board damage, incorrect item return, constipation, red eyes, sleepless nights. Do not try any of this at home. All stunts were performed by a professional idiot. All opinions expressed in this video are those of Yankee and Yankee You Ship It, We Fix It LLC and should not be considered financial advice. Oh yeah, we're just getting started, folks. Alrighty, so we are here to get some stuff for our next project. Yankees You Ship It, We Fix It. Let's get on. Where you from? You don't know alligator. Cleaning the tank. I know how you feel. Whoa, we have found it. This is what we're looking for right here. 4 pounds of freedom. Successful, boys. Successful. We got some Uncle Buck's beef jerky and some targets to shoot at. Blow some shit up. Get ourselves a boat one of these days. One of these days, boys, I'll let you in on a secret on my 3F philosophy. If it flies, floats, or has fun, it's probably cheaper to rent. Let's go home. Holy shit, what a mess. Alright, let's clean it up. Alright, so in the back of my truck I have our victims of the shoot here, so we'll go ahead and get these rigged up. I've actually never shot Tannerite before, so I'm actually going to do a test shot first, see how it does, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so what we got is our Sonic Boom rifle targets. We got a PC here, graphics card, 1070, another HP, a little cable box from back in the day, monitor, and a laptop. This is all old stuff, but we're gonna have some fun before we bring it to the recycle bin. And I know you guys would want that, but you ain't getting it. So this is my first time shooting with this, so what I'll do is I'll shoot one target without anything on it and see what it does. So let's go ahead and get it set up.
rounds 223 larger. That's perfect because we are going to be shooting our 223 today. Always made in USA. Let's see what. So I'm guessing. Try to get it all down to the one side. So what this is actually just aluminum powder, and it acts as an oxidizer. You can actually use the stuff that's out of the instant ice packs. You can use those. Now it says do this until it's thoroughly mixed together. Give it a couple of rolls. Hopefully it doesn't go off in our freaking hands, but I doubt it will because it says it takes a bullet to set it off. There's a reason why they can sell something like this. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that looks like it's evenly coated. I think we will get a nice little boom boom out of that. Alright, show you guys the target that we're setting up. I'm going to use my GoPro 7 to take this shot because I'm a little afraid to use my my GoPro 8 that I have for it, just because I don't know how big of a boom it is. This is going to be my camera stand right here, except for I'm going to pull it back some. So let's go ahead and get that set up. I think I should be able to hit that from here. Hopefully I don't shatter any windows. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. All right, I'm going to get set up and then we'll be back at the bench. I missed it. All right, good luck, sir. Hey-oh! Wow! I got it! I don't think my GoPro survived down there. Holy shit! that was really loud. All right, let's see how the other ones do over here. Holy Toledo. Oh, wow. Okay. That was a little bigger than I thought it was going to be. Holy sugar pies. I got shrapnel all over. Ah, look at all this. Oh my God. Anybody need a CD-ROM drive? Holy cow. Oh, there was a CD in there too. Holy hell. Holy hell. That blew that thing up to kingdom come. That was awesome. I bet you got a killer shot off of that. All right, let's clean up and set up for the next. Where'd it go? I don't even see it. Oh, is that it back there? Oh, that's pieces of it back there. Yankees, you ship it, we fix it. Shot a little glass back at me.
I was thinking you're a little closer, bud.
Good Lord. All right. No, no, no. See you in hell. Just make sure we're good. We're locked and loaded. Pull, baby. Let's see if we even hit it.
I think you hit it up on the second one.
Nope. All right, pull. I think I got it that time. Oh yeah. All the BBs are in there. Hey, all the BBs are in there. Oh yeah, she's a goner, boys. Good riddance.